All right, folks, let me tell you something. We have got the first 2019-20 SuperJew Productions challenge in the VOAG shop, old son. And filling in for Matt Wilkerson this year, we've got JD Shelton. You know, Matt's gone on to work in the great coal mines over there at Riverview Coal. So JD's going to be filling in for us as our mic and our commentator, okay? So let's do a recap quick. Last year, JD, do you remember what happened in our last challenge over there by the pine trees?
I believe so. Didn't we have a little bit of a blowout?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. If we remember last time, the brakes were sabotaged on the pedal tractor. You can find that footage still at uctv.com, okay? These guys rode off into the sunset. Didn't think we'd ever see them again, JD.
No, I never thought I'd see these two fellers again. What about you?
Oh, never. But guess what, folks? We have got our first challenge this year, and it's going to be a big one between SuperJew and the Batman. Let's go over here and see our steeds. Right here, we have got two of the best lawnmowers ever made. What we got here, JD?
We got a snapper with 11.5 horsepower.
Briggs & Stratton engine, flathead, 1250 XL. Oh, these mowers, they're selling for at least $5 on the open market still. I mean, the demand is just crazy. SuperJew just shows that mower. What about over here? We got the Forrest Gump Special. We have got a 1967 Snapper Comet with a repowered Honda engine that the Batman has chosen. This thing right here, 6 horsepower is a Fury, but we got the power of Lieutenant Dan and Forrest Gump in this thing. So here's how this is going to work. You're going to take off straight down through here, weave around all the cones, and come back. The first person to cross this finish line is a Superhero Challenge Lawnmower Races winner 2019-2020 first challenge. Woo!
All right, let's get her going, boys.
Something's going on, I think that. What did we just see here?
You know, honestly, I couldn't really tell you. What do you think?
Man, I don't know. All I know is that I think that the SuperJew just annihilated the Batman in the race. That's what I saw. That's what I saw.
Oh, man.
Do what? What'd you find?
Smoke. There was smoke.
It looks
You
to
don't
me
want
like
the smoke.
it looks to me like the Superman may use some of his X-ray vision powers to add more compression to add 11 horsepower Briggs. Folks, we're gonna have to go in here. We're gonna do some contemplation on this. We're gonna have to inspect these mowers and just find out what the heck happened out here. I don't know what's going on, JD. But we're gonna have to do some
we might have a
inspection.
cheater.
Oh, what
It's
is
possible.
Yeah.
I ain't
It's
never
possible.
cheated in my life.
You always cheat.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
Let me tell you something, folks. We are back here in the vocational ag shop, JD, and we have just got down to the calibration of these mowers. And a winner has been decided by our judges panel, right behind you. That's a really pretty tree over there, isn't it?
Can you just get on with it?
Oh, sorry. I saw a squirrel, I think. I got hungry. I want some lunch. I want squirrel in my belly. Okay, but for real, the 19th challenge of the year. This is the first one. I'm so excited. The first winner of the 2019-20 VOAG Shop SuperJew Batman Challenge of all time. Superman!
Yeah! Yeah! That's what I thought!
Yeah.
Cheater.
Cheater?
Yeah.
Cheater? You're a cheater!
Cheater!
Cheater! Yeah!
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Well, JD, it appears that some of the commentary staff of the challenge disagreed with the results on that. But, you know, it is what it is. Whenever SuperJew gets out of the intensive care unit, he'll be ready for the next challenge. What is the next challenge?
Blowtorch contest!